Welcome to this tutorial video. The goal of this video is to show you how to log into the Cloud Capture app. You can log into the Cloud Capture app from various devices, including your desktop, mobile phone, or tablet. Please ensure that the device is connected to the internet for the app to work. Furthermore, it is compulsory that you either have Google Chrome or Safari installed on your device, as the app will only run in one of these two browsers. In this tutorial video, we will use Google Chrome. To access the Cloud Capture app, navigate to your practice's designated GoodX URL and simply add /app/cloud_capture/ at the end of your practice's URL. Once done, the Cloud Capture login screen will open. Here, you will use the same username and password as the one you use for your practice's designated GoodX portal. Click or tap on the username field and type the username associated with your GoodX account. Next, click or tap on the Your Password field and type the relevant password to gain access to your GoodX account. After filling in both fields, click the Login button. If the username or password is incorrect, a warning pop-up will open informing you that the credentials you have entered are incorrect. However, if the credentials are correct, the system will allow you to access the Cloud Capture app. Please note that for the Cloud Capture app to work, all permissions must be allowed by the user. After the permissions have been granted, a notification pop-up will open stating that the login was successful. For more information regarding Cloud Capture, please refer to the Cloud Capture Navigation and Use user manual linked in this video's description.